So, can we talk about Hong Kong for a minute? What are some of the advantages or disadvantages when importing or exporting
Yes,
from
this
Hong
is
Kong?
the south of China can be developed mainly because of Hong Kong. Hong Kong because they have for the history, for the background for maybe for the past 40 or 30 years, they have knowledge, they have capital, and they have experience, management experience. But in China mainland, and we don't have this. We don't have capital. We don't have money. We don't have experience. We don't have. We just have labor. We have land. No. So in that time, Hong Kong sent a lot of people to go to Shenzhen. That's Shenzhen is before we call it special zone. We can use foreign capitals. Hong Kong at that time is still treated as foreign capitals.
Okay.
So in that time, Hong Kong guys opened a lot of factories there because Chinese government gave their land at the beginning is free, and the tax is no tax. So in a short time, Shenzhen is a miracle. Shenzhen before for 40 years ago is just a very small fish knowledge, but right now it's number four cities in China. The population right now is also about 15 millions, in Shenzhen.
Okay.
Yeah, that's very big.
So for a Hong Kong company to open up in Shenzhen,
Yeah,
they didn't have to pay any taxes to the
at the
government.
beginning, yeah, because China wanted to develop economy.
So are they paying taxes now?
Yeah,
Okay.
they pay tax right now because their land is limited.
Okay.
Okay. So Shenzhen right now is more about creative cities, and the factories. There is a city called Dongguan between Shenzhen and Guangzhou. The city is called the factory of the world because that city produces almost everything in the world, and they have very girls. That city they have a lot of for Hong Kong capital factories and Taiwan capital factories, and also Western countries capital factories. A lot of even Japan and Korea, because something is designed in Hong Kong or Shenzhen or creative in their area, but produced in Dongguan.
Okay.
Yeah. So if that right now for the export, if we think about it, the export percentage, South of China is still the biggest. Yeah. It's very,
Interesting.
yeah.